Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Analytics 4 series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll see what is conversions in Google Analytics 4. So without further ado, let's get started. So we are in the official documentation of Google Analytics where we'll try to know more about conversions. So let's read what they say about conversions. Gain insights into the actions that are most important to your business and use that data to improve your marketing efforts. A conversion is any user action that is valuable to your business. For example, a user purchasing from your store or subscribing to your newsletter are examples of common conversions. Measure conversions. The primary way to measure a Google Analytics conversion is to create or identify an event that measures the important user interaction and then mark the event as a conversion. For example, if you use the Google tag or tag manager, you would create the event for your website and then go to the Google Analytics to mark the event as a conversions. Additional way to include the following. Measure engaged view conversions, configure an ad network. Okay, and you can see over here why they're important. By setting up conversions, you can do the followings. Report on conversions. See the actions that matters most to your business using the acquisition, engagement, and advertising reports. Next one is bid on conversions. Import your conversion data into Google Ads to fuel manual or smart bidding decisions to help optimize your campaigns. Next one is attribute credit to conversions. Combine your data with data from other advertising channels to understand the touch point along a user's path to conversions. And the last one is advertise to unconverted users. Use your conversion data to create audience of users who didn't convert and import those audiences into Google Ads for remarketing. So I'll share this doc file in the video description so that you can study further about conversions in Google Analytics 4. Okay, so let's see how you can see conversions from Google Analytics 4 dashboard. So I'll go to the admin section. Then if I go to the conversion section, then you can see purchase is one of the conversions of this Google Analytics 4 property because I have set up this property for an e-commerce site. That's why purchase is the conversions. So if I go to the event and try to choose another conversions or try to select another conversion, then I can do it from here. Like if I want add to cart to be my conversions, then I can enable this toggle button, and then if I go to the conversion section, then add to cart will also be one of our conversions. So that is how you can set up any event as a conversions in your Google Analytics 4. So hopefully you have a clear understanding on what is conversions and how conversions works in Google Analytics 4. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.